Hey guys, it's me, and today, well, more like a couple days ago, I made this wig. So, I'm going to tell you how I did it, and there are clips of me doing it. So, the first thing that you're going to want to do is draw a part on your wig cap, or whatever you're choosing to use. I just used that, but I probably wouldn't use it again. It's super flimsy and hard to, use, because the second you take it off the wig head, it shrinks up, and it's super hard to put on your head. The next thing that you're going to want to do is take yarn and wrap it around something the length that you want it, so it will be double the length, because I put my part right in the middle. You can put them on the side or something, but it would just be a different length. By the time I was done, I think I had around 6 bundles, and I wrapped it around each 50 times. The next thing to do is take your wig cap and sew the yarn on in sections. I had my mom help me because I didn't think I would be able to do it by myself. So the next thing that happened, I wasn't able to record it because it was just a mess, and so the wig was all tangled up on the top. So me and my mom parted it down the side and tried to make it not so tangled. And then after we did that, then we cut the ends of the things of the loops because it was all looped together. And once we cut it all, then it looked much better. But I wanted to leave the hair down and do a wig for Tafiti, but it wasn't it wouldn't cover all of the hair. It was you could see the scalp, even right here, I have to cover it, but right there the scalp is the wig cap is popping through. So the next thing I did is, because I couldn't leave it down because it was just so much, next time if I were to make this, I would probably do more layers on the side and stuff. I wouldn't know how exactly to do this. I think if I would take the strands that I wrapped around the wood and I would pull it off and then cut the ends, that would be one single thing. So then I would sew it on the sides. Does that make sense at all? Because it kind of makes sense. But if you're just doing a straight down the part, just a part, and then you're going to braid it or style it, it would be fine, but it wouldn't really work if you were to leave it down. This is the wig that's not on a wig cap or on my head. It looks like this, and then you can see the inside like that. So this is the wig on. It took me about 5 minutes to put this on. Not putting it on, but after I got it on, I would have to take sections, because there were sections like this all over the wig, and I would just cover it up, but then that would move other hairs out of the way, so that way I would have to move that. So this is it. I'm probably going to do a puppet or a creeper or a ragdoll. I'm probably going to do the puppet with this because I think that'll look pretty. But you could totally style this any other way. This was just the easiest one I did. I might do a bigger braid in the back or something. But this is a wig. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!
I've got a migraine, and my pain will range from up, down, and sideways. Thank God it's Friday, 'cause Friday